Welcome to our brand new video series, BYD Energy Storage Tech Talk. I'm engineer Wang Xuanyu. As we all know, for energy storage system, safety is of the essence. Blade battery is the core of BYD energy storage system. Today, please allow me to introduce the wonders of the three generations of the batteries. From cylindrical batteries, prismatic aluminum winding battery, to stacking battery. First, let's start with the early days of cylindrical battery. Go back in 1991, commercial lithium-ion battery came out. With the help of a mechanical equipment like electrodes molded with active materials can be easily coiled, so production efficiency was boosted. Also, simple and efficient process can make the cost greatly reduced. Well, the simple winding method is good. It quietly puts shackles on the development of cylindrical lithium-ion battery. The lock of winding grows stronger with more turns. The cycle life of cylindrical battery cannot meet the needs of some large-scale power use scenarios. So the replacement of the cylindrical batteries with prismatic aluminum winding battery. The power dilemma has eventually also been cracked with mature technology, straightening the middle part of the cylindrical core, increasing the proportion of the flight area, and reducing the cylindrical area of the pole piece, so that the perimeter of the band area is reduced to 20% to 30% of the original. Although cylindrical batteries have been modified, it still faces challenges in shedding, breakage, and can be wrinkled as well as uneven stress. When prismatic aluminum winding battery is packaged, the C angle leads to low space utilization, free electrolyte, thermal runaway combustible materials. With the battery research technology continues to improve, researchers make bold attempts. They decided to completely cut off the C angle and only use the best state of the flight area to manufacture the battery, in order to completely solve the battery shedding as well as stress problems, so that the battery safety has been greatly improved. So, the stacking battery came into being. Stacking battery using positive and negative electrode sheet overlapping laying form and ultimately stack into a square stack body. The internal stress distribution is uniform, assembling the electrode group into the can of the TED feed. This manufacturing process fully exploits the potential of single cell capacity and the service life, and more accurately fits actual needs of large-scale energy storage scenarios. BYD's blade battery is one of the masterpieces of the stacking battery. We not only use the advanced stacking process, but also the design concepts of large specific surface area, full type, whole column upside side setting arrangement, and explorer-proof both side out design, which realize the heat dissipation, current carrying capability, safety, and service life improvement. In 2019, BYD high-capacity battery began to switch to blade battery. All manufacturers in the battery industries are gradually developing and applying this kind of technologies. BYD's blade battery for energy storage has been massively applied in 35 gigawatt-hours energy storage field. When the sword is unsheathed, the world will be peace. Well, how to improve the outstanding performance of the battery safety, we will see you in the next time.